Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pansy and this is my reality. And today my reality leads me to a food challenge. I was tagged in a video, Party of 7 vlogs.
Guys, I am challenging Pansy Rose Reality to a cook-off because your girl thinks she can cook better than moi. And I just feel like ain't no way. But it's possible, but you guys can be the judge of this challenge. So before we get too deep into this video, guys, her information is down below. So I want to make sure you guys know where that is. Check the description box, check the pinned comment down below, and check out her channel after you watch this video, because no telling what she's gonna make, guys, but I can't wait to see what she's gonna make.
So I'm gonna leave their information, so go and check out Party of 7 vlogs. They did a version of a chicken and waffle, and I am supposed to do a version of a chicken and waffle as well. I've never made that before, but we're gonna do it today. I'm gonna make my waffles from scratch. I am gonna make a syrup. It's gonna be a bourbon maple, because you know your girl is from Kentucky. Don't play with me. Hopefully it'll turn out right though. I'm laughing because I'm really hoping this video turn out right, because if it's a major fail, I'm gonna post it anyway. So it's for fun, okay? So let's get into this video. Let's get into this kitchen. We're gonna start to make our waffle using 1 cup of flour, 2/8 teaspoon of baking powder, 2/8 a teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, one half stick of butter, one whole egg, all I had was this mini waffle maker, so I just used that. But if you have one that's better, definitely go ahead and use that one. This recipe makes your waffles crunchy on the outside, yet nice, soft, and chewy on the inside, just the way I like them. Now we're going to put together our bourbon maple syrup. I'm going to melt 1/2 stick of butter. Pour in 3/4 maple syrup. Make sure you use 100% maple syrup. You can use organic, whatever you have on hand, but make sure it's pure and real. We're going to use 2 ounces of bourbon, whichever you prefer. I'm using Jim Beam. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to also make sure that this is on medium heat. Once it bubbles and everything comes together, you take it off the heat, and then we're going to set it aside, and then we're going to get started on prepping our chicken. I do want to warn you that the bourbon taste is very strong, but it is absolutely delicious. With that bourbon, the sweetness from the maple, and that buttery taste, I promise you this is a fire sauce that you can actually use probably in some of your other dishes, but you definitely want to try it. Don't be afraid of it. This stuff is amazing. Now that we're on to our last step, I just want to let you all know that I had some chicken breasts that were sitting in my refrigerator. I had maybe 2, 1.5 to 2 breasts. And so I decided to go ahead and use those. You know, I don't like wasting food, so I thought this would be a perfect opportunity during this challenge to go ahead and get rid of those so they don't go bad, and then try something new that I can experiment on. I didn't put the ingredients in my flour because it's the same ingredients that I used in my recent crispy fried chicken video. So if you need to, please go back and check out that video. And if you like that video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. If you like this video so far, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. If you know somebody who's interested in food, interested in cooking, watching these type of videos, if you can go ahead and share it out to them, I really appreciate it. It helps me get into the YouTube algorithm. So once I took some of that syrup and I set it aside, I left a little bit in the pot, and then I went ahead and dumped the chicken in there because I wanted that fried chicken to have that glaze effect before I put it on the waffles. My husband loved this dish so much that he asked me to make it again. I was going to do a vegetarian version using fried mushroom strips, but I forgot the mushrooms when I went to the store, so I'm going to have to do that one another day.
Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend, keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. okay. I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain.
Thank you guys so much. It's always an absolute pleasure to have you here. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you want to see more like this. If you do, please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure that if you watch my videos, give me a big thumbs up so I can get into the algorithm. I really appreciate it. But remember this, keep hustling, be humble. This is your reality. Live your life to the fullest. But I gotta go. Bye.